Hey, what's up guys, peace be upon you, hope you all. This is Jairani and you're watching Prince Jairani's activities. Today I'll show you my first CPU swap video, which is more than 16-year-old PC, and in fact this should have been my first video on this channel, but due to some reasons I lost it somewhere else. I recently found this video on my WhatsApp. With comparing to this video which I am talking now, the video will look very weird because it's found on WhatsApp. So let's see my first CPU cabinet swap video.
But wait, here you're seeing everything transferred from old 2007 Acer version 3900 Pro PC, which look like this. This Acer PC comes with a mini ATX motherboard, weird CPU fan, and very tiny SMPS. But the case contains 4 USB ports and IDE hard disks, and I transferred everything, even the small 256 MB graphics card, from there to here. Actually, I face a lot of challenges by transferring because the front I/O connectors and the power supplies are slightly different. I found it on its own layout and online, so it's something look like this after swapping. I hope you enjoyed this video and sorry for the poor video quality. See you in another video. Until then, this is Jairani and you're watching Prince Jairani's activities.